Yes, hello students. Welcome to the mathematics class. So, in the last video, we discussed actually when figures on the same base and between the same parallels in the first video, and in the second video, when the two parallelograms standing on the same base and between the same parallels, then they are equal in area. Then one triangle and one parallelogram standing on the same base and between the same parallel, then area of the triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss the last part of this topic, that is when the two triangles standing on the same base and between the same parallels, so then what happened to their area. So this concept also which was already discussed in the previous video, but let us take the example problems related to this topic. Okay, so today's topic is triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. So we all know the property when the two triangles are standing on the same base and between the same parallels. So what property we can observe actually? Two triangles on the same base and between the same parallels, then they are equal in area. So practically you can easily verify that two triangles ABC and PBC, two triangles standing on the same base between the same parallels. Okay, so then half into area of this triangle is half into base into height. Then area of this triangle is also same to same formula, half into base into height. So anyhow, both are having the same base, and they are lying in between the same parallels in the sense height of the two triangles also same. So that's why half into base into height, half into base into height, the calculation which gives the equal area. So theorem part of this one is not necessary. So that's why just a property. Just to recall the property, two triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So now using this topic, we have to work out two example problems. Okay, so let us look at the first example problem related to this one. Let us read the problem. Example 3. So question number is example 3. Okay, show that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. So question, we have to understand the question. So let us write the question on the board. Okay, let us solve it. Okay, now see this question actually show that a median word you all know. Okay, a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. So this is also one of the important property. After solving this problem, you can keep this problem actually as a property. Median of a triangle which divides the triangle into two equal areas. But how can we prove that actually? So we have to take ABC big triangle. For that AD is a median. Okay, so we have to take ABC triangle. For that AD is a median. Now we have to show that this median which divides the triangle into two equal area. That means area of ABD equal to area of ADC. We have to show that ABC be a triangle and AD be its median. Okay, we have to prove that area of ABD is equal to area of ADC. So triangle, area of the triangle in the sense which involves half into base into height. So height and takshana altitude 90-degree line compulsory. So construction, here we have to do one construction. What construction? We have to draw one altitude, that is perpendicular line. So that is draw AN perpendicular to BC. For this base, we have to draw one perpendicular line, that is AN. Let us take this one as AN, which is perpendicular to BC. This is actually construction part. So now, what we have to show here, let us start the proof. We have to show that area of ABD equal to area of ABC. I'll start with area of ABD. Okay. So area of triangle ABD. We all know area of triangle formula. When the altitude is given, half into base into height. Right now, half into base into height. Now, so that is equal to half into. In the triangle ABD, what is the base now? Base is BD. In place of B, I substitute base BD. Next up, H. H stands for perpendicular line altitude, that is AN. In place of H, I substitute AN. half into BD into AN. And in the very next step, in the LHS part, what is there actually? Area of triangle ABD, okay, is equal to half into BD. So here you just observe BD. So we all know one property, median of the triangle always which divides the base third side into two equal parts. So we all know that BD which is equal to DC. Median which divides the base of the triangle into two equal parts. That's why BD is equal to DC. I will replace this BD as DC into this AN is AN only. This is actually complete for whole base. We see this is the altitude. So we can take the height of this triangle, complete triangle as AN. So now we just observe half into DC into AN. So now area of triangle ABD is equal to half into DC and the base of this ADC triangle, and AN is again the height of this triangle only. Okay, so for this triangle, this is actually height. For this triangle also, this is height, and for ADC triangle also, AN is only height. So half into DC into AN. This is nothing but area of triangle ADC. No? Yes, what result we got at the last? Area of ABD which is equal to area of triangle ADC. From this we can conclude that in a triangle, one median which divides the triangle into two equal area. Got the idea of this problem now? Yes. Let us move on to the next example problem. Yes. See students, we have one more example problems. The question is like this. In figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Are you observing the ABCD quadrilateral? ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay. BE parallel to AC. This BE is parallel to AC. And also BE meets DC. This BE meets DC produced up to E. ಈ BE ಲೈನ್ DC ಅನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿದೆ? DC ಅನ್ನ E ತನಕ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ BE ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay. So now what we have to show in this problem? Show that area of triangle ADE. You have to see the diagram carefully. ADE ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಚಿತ್ರ? ಹೀಗಿದೆ. Area of triangle ADE. While working this problem, you have to sit with one pencil. Okay, so you have to draw the picture like this so that you will get the idea. Area of ADE equal to the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So what is our target actually? EAB, actually area of triangle. Triangle ADE area ABCD area equal agate. So just we observe the picture carefully. Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ನ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. That you have to think. So just observe the picture carefully. So ನೋಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್. So in both the figure we are observing that this triangle and this triangle standing on the same base AC, and it is given that AC parallel to BE. So this triangle and this triangle standing on the same base AC and between the same parallel, then area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle according to theorem 2. Okay, so just in this video we are discussing that topic only, two triangles standing on the same base and between the same parallels. Okay, then for this triangle actually, if we add this ADC triangle, we will get ADE. That is our proof actually. ADE is equal to. Again, same to same for this ABC triangle. If we add the same ADC triangle, then we will get ABCD quadrilateral. If equals are added to equals, then wholes are equal. Now these two triangles are equal in area according to theorem 2. For that equal area, if we add one same area, then wholes are equal. Got the idea of this concept? Okay, so for that, first we have to start the problem with triangle AEC and triangle ABC. Okay, let us start the solution part. triangle ACE or AEC. Triangle AEC and triangle ABC. ABC standing on same base. Standing on same base AC. Same base AC and between the same parallels, let us mention the parallels names also, that is AC and BE. It is given, no? AC parallel to BE is given, no? BE parallel to AC is given, no? So we took these two triangles. Now what we can say, area of triangle AEC is equal to area of triangle ABC according to theorem 2. So you have to write the statement of theorem 2. So two triangles standing on the same base between the same parallels, then they are equal in area. Now for this equal triangle, equal area, so just this ADC, now I will shade this portion, okay? You just observe this ADC region is common in both quadrilateral and with the triangle. This ADC is common portion for this AED triangle and this ABCD quadrilateral. So that's why for these two equal area, I'll add this common ADC. Now area of triangle ABC, for that I'll add the common region, area of triangle ABC. That is equal to here area of triangle ABC. For that also, I'll add the shaded portion, that is area of triangle ABC. Just observe, equals are there. For that, I am adding the equal region, that shaded region. Now you just observe the diagram carefully. AEC plus ADC. What is the complete picture? Actually, complete picture is AED. That is area of triangle AED. That is equal to. Now RHS part ABC, area of ABC. For that, if we add ADC, come like this. ABC ಗೆ ಈ portion add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ABCD quadrilateral. That is area of ABCD. Hence proved. So this is only we have to prove. No, see here, show that area of triangle ADE is equal to the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Got the idea of the problems, no? So how to solve the problems using these three properties? Okay, so once let us recall all the properties of this entire chapter. So you are able to identify the figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Then if two parallelograms standing on the same base and between the same parallels, then they are equal in area. So next topic is, if one triangle and one parallelogram standing on the same base and between the same parallel, then area of the triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. Then the last topic of this chapter is, if two triangles standing on the same base and between the same parallels, then they are equal in area. Okay, got the idea of this topic, no? So if you are having any confusion, you can ask anytime. Okay, now exercise 11.3 is today's homework. So you have to work out exercise 11.3. So in the next video, I'll come with the solutions part. Only exercise solution, exercise 11.2 and exercise 11.3. Try to work out exercise 11.2 and 11.3 by yourself. Okay, so if you are having any confusion, you can clarify anytime. Okay, students. Then see you in the next video with the solutions of exercise parts. Okay. Yes. Write the example problems and whatever we discussed in the videos, no? So that you have to write in your fair notebook. Got the idea of this topic, no? Yes. This is the end of the theory part of the areas of parallelograms and triangles. Okay, students. Meet you in the next video. Yes, one more thing, don't neglect these videos. Okay, this is not necessary for our next 10th standard class. Now we are 10th standard, why we have to see the 9th standard videos and all. So this videos which gives the knowledge, actually to enrich our knowledge, okay, these videos are very helpful. So don't neglect the videos, we watch the video and maintain the notes actually. So you just imagine you are in still 9th standard only, so we have to complete our 9th standard portions first. We have to take the knowledge of the 9th standard, then we are able to go to the 10th standard. Okay, so take seriously. So be in home only. Safe agiri ellaru. Okay, then see you in next video. Tata, bye bye.